I'm Gagana here. I'm 23 years old. I'm wearing my glasses. I was wearing my glasses for from when I was 7th standard. I just wanted to get a LASIK surgery back in 2016, where I had come to consult here with Dr. Rohit Shetty. That time, what happened? He told me my eyesight wasn't constant yet, so I was not eligible for the LASIK eye surgery in 2016. Then I had to complete my education, so I waited for another 4 years. Later I came back a month ago, that is today is 17th of September. I got my PRK eye surgery on 14th of September. I waited for the lockdown to lift up. Then I came for the test whether I can at least now get my eye surgery and get rid of my glasses. So it was very safe here. At the entrance itself, they'll check our temperature, and they made us pass through a passage where it was all sterilized. Later only they let us in with only only one attender with me. It was very safe and very systematic as well. So the doctor told me we have waited for long, that is 4 years. So they didn't prescribe me with any medications before my surgery. They told I was not eligible for LASIK. They told me to get a PRK eye surgery, which is a bit different than LASIK. First I was quite skeptical about the surgery. Then Girija ma'am was here. I called her up and I just discussed with her what about all the procedures and post the surgery, what are the consequences, all that. Then I was quite convinced by her answer. Then my main aim was to get rid of my glasses. So yeah, I just got my PRK eye surgery on Monday. So on the day of surgery, I came here by 10:30. Before that, 2 days I was getting 2 antibacterial drops, which I was wearing for 4 times a day, 2 days prior. Then later, on the day of the surgery, I came here by 10:30. They tested my eye for an hour or something. Then they made me wear the PPE kit. It was very safe, and they didn't make me wait for a long time. So there's no waiting time. And then I went to the OT section. It was just not even just 5 minutes. I was inside the OT, and the operation just for 2 minutes. I was quite surprised. It's very advanced technology, a machine which Narayana Netralaya has. I'm quite happy with my eyesight actually. I had read before the surgery what are the procedures, but it's much more advanced than what I thought. Then Dr. Rohit Shetty also comforted me during the operation. So the first 2 days were there was some discomfort. Now this is the 4th day, so I'm quite happy with the experience of the PRK surgery, which it's come finally. I've got it, so I'm very happy with it. Thank you.